Hello, Divine Beauty Bar's permanent makeup class is the most fantastic class I've ever taken. I just got my certifications. She is well in depth. Trainer takes all of your lessons to the depth that you need to learn everything you need to learn for shading, micropigmentation, lips, eyes, microblading. It was an amazing experience. Thank you, Desiree.
I do my hair.